Aloha mai kākou ukulele friends, and thank you so much for coming back to my channel. My name is Steven Espaniola, and on this channel we cover a book called the He Mele Aloha book. I'll list it right here. And what it is basically a compilation of classic Hawaiian songs, traditional Hawaiian songs. It has the notes and the chords, but it doesn't have any sort of notation or tablature. So that's why I'm here, is to kind of walk you through a lot of these classic Hawaiian songs that you may not have grown up with. This week we're covering a classic favorite Hawaiian song called Kuʻu Pua I Paoakalani, written by our Queen Liliʻuokalani. And if you don't know the history, our queen was basically imprisoned in her own home, and by a government called the Provisional Government that was trying to take over the Hawaiian Kingdom. And this provisional government were led by a group of businessmen in Hawaii. And so she was basically imprisoned in her own home, and she was not able to get any sort of news from the outside world. She was able to get were flowers delivered to her, and one of her subjects would bring her flowers, from her favorite flowers from the outside. She would basically get all of her news from the outside, from the newspaper that was wrapped around the flowers. She was able to get, a lot of this outside news of what was going on to her kingdom. And she was able to write 7 incredible Hawaiian songs while she was imprisoned in her home. This being one of them, Kuʻu Pua I Paoakalani, page 143 in the He Mele Aloha book. And if you don't have it, I'll include the chords right up here. And the chords are going to be F, F7, B flat, C7, and G7. And we're actually going to add a D7 at one point, okay? It's not in the He Mele Aloha book, but I'm going to add it, and I'll show you exactly where. So let's go ahead and dive right into the song. First verse is E ka gentle breeze e waft mai nei. Okay, E ka gentle breeze e waft mai nei. And this is where we're going to add that kind of a little section in between, okay? Right where that B flat happens, we're going to add D7 to G7, okay? And you'll see what I mean when we get there. And the strum is actually going to be a new strum that I don't think we've ever done before on my channel. And the strum is basically going to be down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, here we go. Here ka gentle breeze e waft my name. You see that right there? The going from the D7 to the G7. Great job. Next line. Ho'oha li'a li'a maiana ia'u. Ho'oha li'a li'a maiana ia'u. And then I'm actually going to put a C7 right there after that F. I think it would sound nice. Okay? Before we get into the next line, which is E ku'u sweet, never fading flower. Okay? E ku'u sweet, never fading flower. Let's try that. E ku'u sweet, never fading flower. Okay, same thing like the previous line, which is going from that D7 to the G7. Next line is E bloom, I kauka, o Paoakalani, o Paoakalani. E bloom, I kauka. O Paoakalani. Okay, we're going to stay in F, going into the hui, or the chorus section, okay? And for this song, we're only going to do the first verse and the chorus. There are 2 more verses, but we're not going to be concerned with those at this time. The chorus goes, Ike mau, ika nani, o nā pua. Okay, let's try that. Ike mau, Okauka, o ulu hai malama. Okay, let's try that. O kauka o ulu hai malama. Next verse is ʻaʻole naʻe hoʻi e like. Okay, it's a little bit of a tongue twister right there. There's a lot of okinas. Okay, ʻaʻole naʻe hoʻi e like. Okay. Okay, and this one's got a little tricky too because the vocal melody kind of goes up in this arpeggio over here. So, okay, coming in from that C7. Here we go. There's that D7 to G7 again, right after the B flat. So every time you see that B flat, just go ahead and do that D7 to G7. It's just a little bit more interesting of a progression happening right there, okay? And the very last line of the song or the chorus is Me Kuʻu Pua I Paoakalani o Paoakalani, okay? Me Kuʻu Pua I Paoakalani o Paoakalani. Okay, let's try that. Me kuʻu pua I kalai o Paoakalani. Good job, and that's it. We're basically at the end of the song. Let's just go ahead and try the whole thing all the way through. This is the point of the video where we just go all the way through, no stopping, and I think you can do it. And maybe skip it the same tempo. A gentle breeze waft my name. Oh, ali ali my echo sweet, never fading flower. I bloomy kauka o Paoakalani. Ike maui kanani o na pua. O kauka o ulu hai malama. ʻAʻole nae hoʻi e like. Me kuʻu pua I kalai o Paoakalani. Me kuʻu pua I kalai o Paoakalani. All right, you guys made it to the very end. Congratulations. It's a very simple song, such a beautiful song, one of my favorites. And I hope you guys enjoy it too. Once again, thank you so much for coming back to the channel. My name is Steven Espaniola. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click the notifications bell so that you can know exactly when I upload these videos, okay? You can find out more information about me at www.stevenespaniola.com. And I don't know if you noticed, but I upgraded the equipment I'm using for these videos, and I hope you can see the improvement. I want to be able to deliver, you know, the best content possible and without any sort of technical limitations. So let me know if you enjoy the technical upgrades that I did, and I'll see you in the next one. Ahuiho and malama pono.